Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw BMW M5 car easy guide. Start by observing proportions and overall silhouette, then lightly block in the main shapes. Focus on wheel placement and roofline, and keep lines loose. Refine panels, headlights, and grille after proportions feel right. Add shading to suggest depth, and use highlights on chrome and glass to finish. Take your time and enjoy the process. Start by drawing a long rectangle for the body and mark wheel centers along an axle line to get accurate spacing. Sketch the roofline and cabin using gentle curves to indicate glass area. Place the hood and trunk boundaries so the car looks balanced, and check proportions against your reference. Keep lines light and adjustable so you can correct shapes before committing to details that define the BMW M5 silhouette. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more drawing guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks tidy while sketching, and they save me from spills during long sessions. They stack neatly in my bag and make breaks easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After blocking the main shapes, focus on signature details like the kidney grille and distinct headlights for BMW identity. Carefully observe and render air intakes, side vents, and door seams to add realism. Draw wheels with rims and spoke patterns that match perspective, then add tire depth and shadow. Finish by darkening key panel lines and adding subtle reflections on glass and metal to bring the M5 to life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.